This little Thai restaurant has the cutest plants. Every time I come here, I want to buy one. We got chicken pad thai, of course. This is the lunch special. It comes with rice and egg roll. And it comes with this yummy little salad. I don't know what kind of dressing this is. Can y'all tell me? Looks like miso, but I'm not sure. You already know what went down with this plate. I couldn't finish it myself, so I asked my boy right here to help me out with it. So I'm back home. I just took a shower. I have to go to work at 2:30. And right now I'm just gonna get ready. I honestly don't do much to get ready for work. I put on mascara. Sometimes I'll put on some brow gel. So for my mascara today, I'm gonna be using the Air Volume one by L'Oreal. So my face is done. I just put on some mascara and I put in some brow gel. And I'm ready for work. I just have to get dressed. And then I'm gonna just head out. I work at Pandora. It's a jewelry store. So it's a pretty easy job, just selling jewelry all day. It gets very slow at the mall that I work at. So, and today's Monday, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pretty slow today. So I got this little ring on right here. This is my newest addition. Here's my charm bracelet. I don't have that many charms on it. I just have the little alien from Toy Story. And then I have this locket style charm. It opens up and it says family forever. I forgot to show you guys my outfit earlier. I'm just wearing this dress. And I have like a white denim jacket with my Rihanna creepers, my all white ones. That's what I wore. I'm off of work now though. It was so slow. We were just working on merchandising. I'm on my way home now. I'm hungry. Animal style fries, double. And we're watching Hannibal. This is season 2, second season. So good, you guys need to watch it. It's kind of raining outside. It's supposed to be like this all day. This is so rare, but I love this weather. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is I'm gonna be putting soil into both of these. I bought this money tree at the 99-cent store. It was not 99 cents, let me say that. But it didn't come with a lot of soil, so I put it in a bigger pot, and I need to put more soil in that and some water. I also have this aloe vera plant. I think I got this at Home Depot. I also got these little plates or whatnot from Home Depot. This one also needs soil in it too, and I'm also going to be putting water. So the first time I went to Home Depot, I actually bought plant food instead. So I had to go exchange it, and I went to go get this soil. So I'm going to just be putting it in these. I want to show you guys the baby growth on my money tree. It's so cute. Look, we have this small one right here. We have these, this one, and then we have this one over here. So it's growing, she's growing. I look a little crusty, a little crazy, but I'm about to start cleaning. I'm gonna show you guys how the room currently looks, and you guys better not judge me. Do not judge me. The only reason it looks like this is because when we get up in the morning, we're in a rush. Like, we wake up last minute, knowing we have to be somewhere on time. So then we start throwing things everywhere, leaving shoes everywhere. So I'll show you how it looks. Don't judge me. I'm about to clean it. Okay, so this is how it looks, right? Dirty. Obviously, I just did this. I should have did this outside, but I just did that, so I have to sweep and have to mop. But look, listen. Shoes, socks, my bed is not done. Then look, it gets even scarier. More shoes, some snacks, bunch of clothes. Like, yeah, this is only one side. I'm gonna show you guys the other side right now. On this side, we have my makeup, we have a shirt, we have food from last night, water, and then this gets dusty. So I got a lot to do. So the room is done. I'm finally finished cleaning. I mopped, I swept, dusted. I took out all the clothes that are here and I put them away. All the clothes that were by the door, I put them in this basket. I just shifted all my shoes to one side of the closet, and I was able to fit the basket there. So we came grocery shopping, and what I hate about myself is that I never make a list before I leave the house. So when I get to the grocery store, I don't know what to get. I just buy like random stuff, and then I don't know what meals to make with the random stuff that I bought. Also, I'm in the chip aisle. This is my favorite aisle ever. If you know me, you know I love some chips. And I just want to buy one of each, but I cannot. I'm trying to limit myself. Your girl got big, and I need to lose the weight. So I'm trying to have like a healthier lifestyle, I guess. Except my cart does not reflect a healthy lifestyle. I wanted to show you guys what I got from Amazon. A while ago, I had told you guys that I had started an Instagram to do acrylic nails, and I was gonna offer this service, but I decided not to go that route anymore. I decided that I didn't want to do nails. I was practicing on people, and it just like wasn't for me. Like, I can sit there and like do my own nails, but to do somebody else's, like, it just wasn't for me. So I decided to change the Instagram from a nail page to a lash page. I'll be offering lash extension services. I have an Instagram. I'll show you guys here on the screen. I just opened my availability. Go ahead and follow me on that Instagram, and then just DM me to book an appointment. So I'm gonna just show you guys what I ordered from Amazon. Everything that I got is lash extension related. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I still haven't received all of my packages. I still have one more package, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got so far. First thing I got are these bottles. So these are foaming bottles. You can actually put like a lash cleanser inside it, which is what I plan to do. I plan to put some lash shampoo in here. You could just pump it onto your lashes. And along with that, I also ordered some brushes. I also ordered some lint-free swabs. These have some good reviews. These seem pretty good and they were affordable. So I'm gonna try these out. The next thing I ordered were these lash trays. As you can see, these lash trays are from 2 different companies. I honestly haven't used any Amazon lashes before, but I thought, like, why not? Because I was going on other websites. I was trying to find something that was affordable but still good quality, and I was going on these Instagram boutiques and these Instagram stores, and they were expensive. Like, one tray is like $15. Girl, each one of these trays was like $8. So I was like, I'm just gonna try these out. They have good reviews. There was a bunch of pictures posted, so I was like, oh, they look pretty good. Who knows if I'll like them. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try these out on a client. I actually have my first client tomorrow. And the last 4 items I got are also some lash trays, except these lash trays, these are easy fanning lashes, so it's good for when you do volume or hybrid. And I forgot to mention the other lashes that I just showed you guys, these are classic lashes. It's only Thursday, but I'm gonna drink a little bit. We got the Red's Wicked Apple.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we're just chilling tonight, really. Yes, sir.
Bacon back bean boo.
Bacon back bean boat. Cheers. Trying to be healthy, but also look at these M&Ms. So I have a lash appointment in about 30 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put together some lash shampoo, because what I'm doing is like my first like 20 clients, I'm giving them a little brush and a lash shampoo so they're able to take care of their lashes. So I have my gloves right here. What I'm doing is I'm gonna be using micellar water. There's so many ways to make lash shampoo, but just using pure micellar water. Is it micellar? Micellar? I don't know. Basically, this doesn't leave any residue. It doesn't leave like any like dry feeling. All it's gonna be doing is cleaning the lashes. I'm gonna fill up as many bottles as I can with this small bottle. With this 13-ounce bottle, I was only able to fill up 7 of these small containers, which is fine because I got this for $3 at the 99-cent store. Usually I think they're like $7 at Target, so I still saved some money on this. So basically what I'm doing now, since I do have a client at 4 o'clock, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put one of these lash shampoos in the bag. I'm also gonna put one of these brushes. And I'm gonna put in a few spoolies. I'll put like 3 of them in the bag. Also, I wanted to show you guys how this foams up. See, it foams up really nice. So you just put it on your lashes, take your little brush, clean them around, and that's it. Brush them out. So if you guys book with me and you guys are one of the first 20 clients, you can get one of these bags. Little lash shampoo, some spoolies, a brush. Book with me. So we're making rice and enchiladas. Woo! You shouldn't open it. I love enchiladas. So this is the finished product, some enchiladas and some rice. My plate is so messy, do not mind that. But yes, enchiladas and rice. And I also made myself this drink. It's mineral water with crushed raspberries and agave. It's so fire. Also, do you guys put sour cream in your rice? Because I do. I think it's delicious to put it in the red rice. And I got him doing it now too. It's fire, huh?
It's pretty good.
I told you. I got some nachos, and my boy right here got an esquite with no chili. I don't know what that's about, but yeah, I know I'm trying to be a little healthier, but you know, I was craving this for some reason. I realized I didn't tell you guys about how my lash appointment went yesterday. Like I mentioned yesterday, I did start offering lash extension services, and yesterday I had my first client that was outside of family. I already knew who she was, like we worked together before, but your girl was nervous. Your girl was very nervous. It was just like, it was just so weird. Like every time I do the lashes on Ozzy or my mom or anybody who I'm related to or any of my friends, like I know what I'm doing, like I do everything correctly, like I do the little taping method, I do everything is just, you know, fine. Like I don't feel any type of way, like I don't feel pressured or anything. And when I was doing the lashes yesterday, I was so nervous. Like so nervous, like 1,000 thoughts were going through my head at once. Honestly, I was just like so overwhelmed. I don't know why, like my hands like kind of started shaking when I was like trying to isolate the lashes, and I think I was just overthinking it really. Like I knew what I was doing, but because it was my first like paying client, like someone who is here solely for a service, like it just got me nervous, and I was just overthinking it really. Overall, her lashes came out really good. She was really happy about it. It was her first time getting lash extensions. So, you know, it was a first for both of us, and I was nervous for no apparent reason. But I just thought I would let you guys know how that went in case you guys were wondering. About to go and pick up Ozzy right now from work. He literally works like 3 minutes away. Look at my man. She's so fine. So I'm gonna finish off the night by doing some skincare, and I'm also gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Like I said, this is my first time doing a week in my life. I wanted to make it as realistic as possible. So if you did enjoy it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna just go ahead and do my skincare, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.